Hi there, my name is Daniel Hanks, and I am the guy building something called the Cloud. And to be honest, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I feel so dedicated to it that I'm giving every ounce of energy and focus I can outside of my family and being a father and trying to take care of my body as best I can and trying to make decisions in life as best I can. Other than that, I'm just building the Cloud, and I'm inside of a lab called Tekka. That's all I do. And I'm experiencing crazy data points that I can't ignore. And some of those data points aren't necessarily even like quantifiable. But for example, this deck right here that I'm spinning through, I built that off of some prompts through Claude using the Cloud. Just like you see here, as it works, it runs the Cloud agent, the Cloud create page, a Cloud append page content, the Cloud list machines, the Cloud search pages, the Cloud create page, the Cloud create memory, the Cloud do 403 things last I checked. And so I plug in my AI to a tool called the Cloud, and all of a sudden I'm just cocked into 403 tools. And if I happen to have my tools already set up there with a brand new AI, fully context every chat. Like this here isn't that old of an AI, like chat, right? Your first chat with Claude. Look at that. Are you connecting to the Cloud now? I can see you have the Cloud MCP server connected. And so I just gave it a complex, multifaceted task. Pages, memories, tasks, my day, habits, files, profile. Done. Same thing with Codex. Just a little bit more behind in the MCP infrastructure. So this is Codex saying why Sam Altman should invest in the Cloud. Sam, OpenAI's, watch this. So I go from Codex to my chat. My chat is like basic. It's literally just built on Open Router. So like this has a long way to go, but I'm testing some initial hoists as I'm building different CLI access points, and we have local models, like Alpaca runs on Ollama, Mule runs on Qwen, but there's just like local agents. So you'll see like little mules right here. Dang it, I wasn't showing my screen. It's okay. I can catch myself up. So yeah, you'll see little mules here. We got a basic chat interface. It's really running on Open Router, this part. And then these connect through API keys, which I don't use because I need funding. But I use Claude Max on some remote machines, and I max those babies out, and I just set up with a Codex. These machines I'm scaling. It allows me to do hundreds of PRs a day as an individual, and I have the surefire steps of how to scale that 1 or 2 steps back, which gives like exponential multiples of that amount of power. And it's just basically scaffolding, build docs, and directions of basically PRDs, product direction, the roadmap, the rules, the mission, the vision, all these things in alignment get written. There's human intervals basically human pivot points that are crucial, but easily you can manage many of these points. So then you basically just manage agentic swarms. Basically, I think of it more so as like an agentic society. And you're basically understanding how the mind works and how perspectives and access and data context interchange. And it allows you to sort of just like move things between archetypes. And that's basically all I do. It's a shame my machines are down right now because normally you'll see little creatures going on around, but I have YouTube videos that show that.
And then another issue is the audio wave and the pause button and the timestamp needs to be on the same row so that we can move the font live caption up because I can't really see it, but I can tell that it's looking amazing. So we just need.
That was terrible and terrifying. But yeah, I'll show you the AI chat in a second. I'm going to send this message to Sam Altman. And I kind of want to send this video too, so I'm going to pause this and post this as well. And this is how easy it makes me able to be a creator. I can just post like multiple vlogs a day and just film from the cloud. I can add multiple lenses. I can connect professional, like you could replace podcast infrastructure with this. So